Good morning, people. I'm your host Anusha, and welcome to BKBPS News. Let's have a look at today's headlines. First, Madhya Pradesh, which is trying to regain its tiger status, has lost 9 majestic beasts. According to Wildlife Protection Society of India, this year 39 tigers died due to poaching. Next news is straight from Karnataka, where poachers were caught with tiger skins. Now let us have a look on what our minister has to say on this.
Good morning, Namaskar, my dear citizens of Mumbai. I am your fellow Wildlife Minister Narayan Lal Singh. Tigers are an integral part of our culture, not only because of their majestic looks, but also because the ancient people understood the importance of tigers at the topmost trophic level of the food chain pyramid. I heard about the increased poaching of tigers in Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Is this what we are giving back to our Mother Earth? Is this what we are doing for nature? The rich wildlife of Mumbai is degrading day by day because of us. How will you feel if some agencies killed you for exporting your skin for money? I would request this highly increasing population to conserve wildlife and nature like your own family and make this place a better place to live. I'll humbly request everyone stop being involved in this such kind of activities for money, as wildlife cannot come back once gone, but money can. Also, if you see someone being involved in such kind of activities, contact helpline number 1.
I will have to make this move. I cannot risk the lives of my citizen. I will go and shoot it right now. It is my duty as a police officer to ensure 100% security of my citizens.
Wait, I respect your feelings for the society and the citizens, but sir, didn't you hear what our minister said? Poaching and killing are one and the same. What is the difference? Tigers are an integral part of our rich heritage as the national animal of India. I would request you not to kill it and hand it over to the wildlife department.
You are correct, but can't you see that the tiger is wreaking havoc and people, my citizens, are scared for their lives? What should we do till the wildlife department comes?
Instead of using a bullet, we can use a tranquilizer provided by the wildlife sanctuary to hand it safely over to them.
Great. Thank you for making me aware.
Welcome to BKBPS News 2021. I'm Harina reporting live from BKBPS. India has taken several measures, including bringing out guidelines for tiger safaris to reduce the pressure of ecotourism, protect habitats of the big cats, and conserve its population, said the Union Environment Minister Harshvardhan on 27 July 2021. There are an estimated 2,226 tigers in the country, and India has 70% of the world's tiger population, according to the last tiger census. India had launched Project Tiger in 1973 to conserve tigers. Till now, the coverage of Project Tiger has increased from 9 reserves to 50 tiger reserves spread across 18 states. No doubt there has been an improvement till now, but we still need to make sure that all the tigers are safe.
As you have already witnessed the situation of 2013, why don't you all ask yourselves a question? How important are tigers to you and your nation? Tigers have an important place in the Indian culture. They symbolize power, beauty, fierceness, bravery, and valor. And you must all be aware of the Hindu mythology in which tiger has a significant place as the vehicle of goddess Durga. If we shift from the mythological part, as top predators, tigers also play an important role in maintaining the harmony of the planet's ecosystem. Yet, they are being poached for the greed of humans without humanity. Earlier, they were killed for people's satisfaction as a big animal game, for trophies and fame. But now, they are killed for their expensive fur, flesh, bones, and other parts of their body. Why are we so heartless? Why does our greed always conquer over humanity? These questions have been left unanswered for years. But fortunately, the government has taken steps to ensure the safety of tigers, to maintain the dignity of our nation and its national animal.
Let us all consider humanity as our priority. And once again, unite on this auspicious event to spread awareness about the sickening acts of tiger poaching and help our country a better place for pride and dignity of our nation. Thank you.